Example 9. If log 2 is equals to a, log 3 is equals to b, log 7 equals to c, and 6 power x is equals to 7 power x plus 4, then x equals to, writing x in terms of a, b and c. Okay, let me take up here 6 to the power of x is equals to, okay, a is equals to log 2, b is equals to log 3 and c is equals to log 7, and 6 power x is equals to 7 to the power of x plus 4. Okay, by taking logarithms on both sides, I say logarithm of 6 power x is equals to logarithm of 7 power x plus 4. Simplifying this can be written as x log 6 is equals to x plus 4 times log 7. But log 6 is nothing but, so log 6 can be written as log 3 into 2, that is equals to log 3 plus log 2, which is nothing but a plus b. Therefore, this is a plus b. So, x multiplied by a plus b is equals to x plus 4 multiplied by logarithm of 7 is nothing but c. I can replace by c. So, simplifying and taken x common value, left hand side a plus b, right hand side 1c into x, bring it left hand side, minus c is equals to 4c. X is equals to 4c divided by a plus b minus c. So, the answer for the problem is equals to 4c by a plus b minus c.